In the New tab, you can create a new blank workbook. This opens a page called a Workbook. At the top of the workbook, you'll find different options called tabs, such as Home, Insert, Page Layout, and more. Each tab contains various tools related to its function. These tools are organized into groups like clipboard, fonts, alignment, and numbers in tabs. We have the name box below these tools, which displays the currently selected cell. Following that is the formula bar, where formulas appear when you use them in cells. The entire sheet is divided into horizontal rows and vertical columns. Columns are identified by letters, A, B, C, etc., while rows are identified by numbers, 1, 2, 3, etc. This layout helps organize and manage data effectively. At the bottom, there's an area showing Sheet 1, which represents the sheet tabs where we can add multiple sheets. To add a new sheet, you can simply click the plus sign or right-click to insert a new sheet. When you right-click on a sheet tab, you'll find various options such as deleting a sheet. You can also rename a sheet by double-clicking on the tab or using the rename option from the right-click menu. Additionally, you can assign a color to a sheet by right-clicking and selecting a color option like blue. If you want to hide a sheet, right-click on its tab and choose Hide. To unhide a sheet, right-click on any visible sheet tab, select Unhide, and choose the sheet from the dialog box that appears. You can rearrange sheets by clicking and dragging them to a new position. In the bottom right corner, there's a zoom option that allows you to zoom in or out of your sheet to adjust the view as needed.